Welcome to Jumbo Quiz. Today, you're in for a thrilling challenge. Choose your gift, pink, black, or gold edition. Let's dive in. Which phone will you unwrap, pink, black, or gold? Choose a dream house. Will you go with pink, black, or gold? It's time for a stylish watch. Which one will you take? Which headphones do you want, pink, black, or gold? A brand new car. Pick your ride, pink, black, or gold. Choose your task, pink, black, or gold. What you get? Which designer bag catches your eye, pink, black, or gold? Time to smell amazing. Which perfume do you pick? Laptop upgrade. Choose one, pink, black, or gold. Shoe shopping time. Which pair is your pink, black, or gold? Which sunglasses will make you look cool, pink, black, or gold? A huge TV awaits you. Pick a box, pink, black, or gold. Which beautiful ring will you wear, pink, black, or gold? Time for a sweet treat. Which dessert do you choose? Pick a stunning bracelet, pink, black, or gold. Vacation time. Which box holds your ticket? A gorgeous pair of earrings is waiting. Which makeup set will you take, pink, black, or gold? A new phone case, which one is yours? Choose your perfect winter coat, pink, black, or gold. Capture amazing memories. Pick a camera. A gaming console just for you. Pick wisely. Choose a dazzling necklace, pink, black, or gold. Which cozy pajamas will you wear, pink, black, or gold? A comfy couch, which one will you sit on? Which chocolate bar do you want, pink, black, or gold? Pick the perfect handbag, pink, black, or gold. Coffee lovers, choose your machine. Which powerful speaker do you pick, pink, black, or gold? Pick a soft, cozy bed, pink, black, or gold. Which lipstick will you wear, pink, black, or gold? A sleek bicycle just for you, pink, black, or gold. Upgrade to a smartwatch. Pick one gift. Stay cozy with a new hoodie, pink, black, or gold. Wireless earbuds for music lovers, pink, black, or gold. Choose the best ice cream, pink, black, or gold. Pick the perfect winter boots, pink, black, or gold. Which stylish notebook do you want, pink, black, or gold? A premium hairbrush, pink, black, or gold. That was so fun! Did you dodge the bad gifts or did you get tricked? Comment below. Like and subscribe for more exciting quizzes. See you in the next video.